Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Sagittarius fire sign. This is April monthly reading and this is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see Sagittarius. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Sagittarius. See your card. Sagittarius. It's your reading and it's your card. So what are the messages for Sagittarius? Sagittarius, what are the messages for Sagittarius? What are the messages for Sagittarius? Sagittarius. Wow. See, very positive reading. Maybe there is something going, but it is 80% positive reading for you, Sagittarius, and you stand by your power. You will be in your power in the month of April, and this is 9 of Cups. Your wishes are going to be granted. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Temperance, Justice and 4 of Cups. So you want to restore balance within you, especially within you. You want to stand by your power no matter what. So you are focusing, you started focusing on yourself. There is missed opportunity. You are missing someone or something right now, but it is not affecting you anymore because you gained your power back. You are taking your control back. Now you want to restore your balance within you and you achieved it. You restore your balance within you. Now you are no more dependent on anyone, either emotionally or financially. For some, you are creating more money in these recent times. You are focused on your career, abundance and self-growth. But yes, there is feeling, but it is not affecting you anymore. Then present 5 of Cups, 4 of Wands and 7 of Pentacles. So why it is not affecting you anymore? Your person always keep putting you in waiting mode. You are fed up with that energy. And 5 of Cups, yeah, there is sadness. You are feeling sad, but is not effective anymore because they always keep putting you in waiting mode for this happiness. 4 of Wands energy. So that's why you want to decided to cut off this person from your life. Maybe you don't want to react anymore. You want to focus on yourself. You decided to focus on yourself, not to give any energy to this, especially waiting mode. Then future, 2 of Cups, 6 of Cups and 2 of Swords. See, when you started focusing on yourself, you will attract correct person or soulmate into your life. So you have to love yourself. You have to focus on yourself. So 2 of Cups is 6 of Cups. Maybe for some it could be a past person coming back for reconciliation because 6 of Cups is reconciliation and they're thinking about you a lot. 2 of Cups, this is mutual love between both of you. So someone is ready to offer this love to you. For some, you both could be soulmates. For some, it could be a new person. For some, it could be a past person. But according to the reading, 6 of Cups is a past life connection. Maybe for some, it is a past person coming back to you. But you are very indecisive about to making some decision regarding in your life. So you are at some crossroads, Sagittarius. So there is love coming towards you. Someone is coming to reconcile with you. So the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, lot of water energy. Then Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Then another Sagittarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see your person feelings and actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity. 7 of Swords under the deck. Yeah, this person may be sneaky, playing games with you. They hurt you in past many times. That's why you decided to move on from this person. So let's see their feelings towards you, Sagittarius. Your person feelings. 2 time justice. Maybe they want second chance with you. Yeah, waiting. Maybe they're waiting for the right time. So 10 of cups, they want to offer this cup of love to you. And Gemini, the person involved in this connection could be justice with 3 of wands. So they want to come back for second chance, but they're waiting for the right time to come towards you, because again this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. And the person involved in this connection could be Libra, Gemini. So let's see their actions towards you. Again 10 of cups. So they want this happiness with you, Sagittarius, and they're spying on you. They're wondering about you a lot, because Princess of Swords. So they want to communicate with you. Right now they are undergoing some spiritual awakening. Maybe they are doing meditation, they're healing, they're in some meditation process, but they are very attracted to you, and there is a lot of passion involved in this connection, because Ace of Wands is here, and they are very, very attracted to you, Sagittarius, because you are doing your work, you are investing energy on yourself. Now they are coming back to offer this happiness to you. So let's pull some cards from universe, where this connection is headed on and the outcome. They're thinking about you a lot. See, King of Cups and the Tower movement. So for some, you are in separation with your person, for some no contact. So they're undergoing Tower movement. Their King of Cups, they really want to offer their cup of love to you, Sagittarius. See, again the Lovers card. They love you. Definitely there is love. Now maybe your person realizing your worth after you walked away. Yeah, they're coming back with an apology. They want to send some message to you, Sagittarius. Text is coming. Maybe for some children's also involved in this connection. Yeah, spying, a lot of spying is going. Maybe a person is spying on you, or you may be spying on them. You both are spying on each other. Definitely there is a lot of spying, and children's also involved in this connection. Your person is very immature. Strong Pisces energy. One person in this connection could be Pisces. Yeah, maybe one person manifesting the other person in their life. There is one person doing manifestation, but there are some issues also between both of you. First the issues have to be resolved, then automatically situation will be better. So there is spying. Definitely they want to communicate with you. There is message communication is coming. They are very passionate about you, Sagittarius. So let's see your overall energy for the month, Sagittarius. Overall energy. See, happiness is coming towards you, and they are very attracted to, passionate about you. You stand by your power, and there is equal give and take is coming, and you are balancing your career and finances right now. You are very focused on your career, Sagittarius. So let's see your person overall energy for the month. Judgment. They're going to be make some decision. They're stuck on you. They're feeling alone without you, and they want this happiness with you. For some, you both could be twin flames also. For some, soulmates. But I'm getting a lot of soulmate connection here. Very few could be twin flames. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Maybe your person hurt you in past. That's why there is no trust. Trust issues for some. Because 7 of Swords is there. So maybe in past they hurt you. Now you have no trust on them, Sagittarius. I am not feel good enough for you. I need some space now. It's you. Retreat. Marriage. There is reconciliation for some. I want to be honest with you, and I fantasize about you. So the messages are, I want to be honest with you. I am not feeling good enough for you. I need some space. Retreat, marriage. So take what resonate. So they want to be honest with you, yeah, because in past maybe your person is sneaky. Now they want to be honest with you. Retreat, marriage. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck. Always believe actions, not words. Sagittarius. Emotions are running high. So if you are getting a lot of emotions, do meditation, control yourself. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.